So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super fast and easy face masks. So for today's project, you'll be needing an assortment of tightly woven fabric. You can use cotton or flannel, some measuring tape, sewing thread. You may want to have some fabric marker, some sharp scissors, and some thin elastic. So the first step is to lay out your fabric. So you want to put the right sides together. And then you want to measure 9 inches. By 6 inches. So now we're just going to cut the fabric out. So I'm just going to put down a towel to iron on, and I'm just going to iron out the creases. I probably should have done this before cutting just to get a more precise line. It was sort of an afterthought. So now I'm just going to cut the elastic. So you just want to cut 2 pieces that are 6.5 inches long. So now we have the materials cut out. So you can also add another piece of fabric, like if you want to cut out some flannel to have that in the middle to make it even less porous, then you can do that as well, but they're recommending to not go shopping unless you have to, so I'm just using what I already had. So now the next step is you just want to add the elastic about a 1/2 inch down and then just pin it into place. and then just bring the elastic around like that, about 1/2 inch down. And pin that into place as well. And then just repeat it on the second side. So now that I have it all pinned down, I'm just going to sew along the edges and leave a small hole here. So just make sure to backstitch on the elastic as well as the openings, so that will be the area where we pull the mask inside out. So I'm just starting to sew right now. So now I'm just going to clean up the loose threads. And then turn the mask inside out. Then I'm just going to press down the seam where it's open. And now I'm just going to give it a press. So now I'm just going to fold it into thirds. So you can measure it if you like, but I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to fold it down about that much. Great, so now I'm just going to sew it up, so you sew it all along the edge. And all the way around, and then your mask is done. So there you go. So here's the finished masks. I have some in a pretty blue and a pink and the yellow. So how you wear them is you just put them over your ears and then you pull it over your nose and under your chin. And well, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.